In this video, I want to show you how to fix issues that you're having with your Canon Pixma TS7720 printer. Could be Wi-Fi connection problems or other types of problems. So let's get started right away. Once you're experiencing anything out of the normal with a printer, what I always suggest is that you go ahead and disconnect it from the wall outlet. So this is my printer. Even if it currently turned on, don't worry, simply unplug the printer and wait 3 minutes this way. After 3 minutes, connect it back. And turn on the printer. Usually, if it's a software issue, it will get fixed by doing this simple restart. It's not a reset, nothing will be deleted. You'll probably get this screen saying that the power was not turned off correctly, okay, and it will scold you, but don't worry, just press OK and the printer will work normally afterwards. Next, what you can do if the problem is still present is to do a reset. And depending, again, what is your issue, if it's a Wi-Fi issue, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi, not the whole printer, just the Wi-Fi. And this is done by going into the settings, then pressing printer settings, going all the way down, select reset settings, and then again all the way down, and you can select reset all if you want to do a full factory reset, but to only reset the Wi-Fi, select LAN settings only. So by doing this, your printer will be trying to fix the issues by itself by resetting that part that you choose. Obviously, you'll need to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. And fortunately, after doing this, everything will work well. Now, if you're having an issue regarding a paper jam, well, I made a separate video, but basically what you need to do is to lift this panel over here, check to see if there's any stuck paper, okay, over here or over there. Wait for this to be presented to you. So you can check, okay, is there any paper there? No, everything is good. If there's something, remove it with your fingers. And there's also a door over here that you can open. So you have access to the rollers that are taking each pages. Sometimes paper gets stuck over there as well. So that's another place where you can check. Overall, thanks for watching. If you have any other tips, please leave a comment down below. If one of these worked, I want to know as well. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.